Welcome to Elite Service Masters channel. Are you making costly property maintenance mistakes without even realizing it? Whether you're a homeowner, landlord, or property manager, avoiding these common errors could save you a lot of headaches and money. So grab a notepad because today we're breaking down 7 property maintenance mistakes you are making and how to fix them. Trust me, you don't want to skip this. Mistake number 1, skipping regular inspections. When was the last time you thoroughly checked your property for signs of wear and tear? If you're not scheduling regular inspections, you're setting yourself up for some serious surprises down the line. Problems like leaks, cracks, and mold can go unnoticed until they become expensive disasters. Solution: a quarterly inspection plan. Take a walk through your home, check the roof, the foundation, plumbing, and electrical systems. It's way cheaper to fix a small issue now than to let it snowball into a full-blown repair nightmare later. Mistake number 2, ignoring small leaks. Speaking of leaks, oh man, this one's a killer. A small drip might seem like a minor inconvenience, but it's basically a time bomb for water damage. And water damage? It can lead to rot, mold, and even foundation issues. Here's the fix. As soon as you notice a leak, big or small, handle it immediately. Whether it's calling a plumber or simply tightening a pipe yourself, acting fast will prevent thousands of dollars in repairs down the road. Mistake number 3, neglecting gutter maintenance. It's one of those chores no one enjoys, but neglecting your gutters can create a nightmare scenario. Clogged gutters can cause water to overflow, leading to foundation damage, basement flooding, and even roof deterioration. So, what's the game plan? Clean your gutters at least twice a year, once in the fall and once in the spring. If you live in an area with heavy rainfall or lots of trees, you might want to check them more often. And if you really want to save yourself some trouble, invest in gutter guards. Mistake number 4, using the wrong cleaning products. Now this one might catch you off guard. Using harsh chemicals on surfaces like wood floors, countertops, or tiles can do more harm than good. Over time, they can erode finishes, dull surfaces, and even reduce the lifespan of your materials. How do you fix it? Switch to pH-neutral cleaners or those recommended for specific surfaces. Always check the labels before you start scrubbing, or you could be cleaning your way into a big, costly mistake. Mistake number 5, forgetting about HVAC maintenance. Your HVAC system works hard to keep you comfortable, but are you giving it the TLC it deserves? Forgetting about regular maintenance like changing air filters or scheduling an annual tune-up can lead to higher energy bills and a shorter lifespan for your system. Here's what you should do. Replace your HVAC filters every 3 months depending on usage, and don't skip that annual professional checkup. It ensures your system is running efficiently and can help you catch small issues before they turn into expensive repairs. Mistake number 6, neglecting seasonal maintenance. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is not preparing their property for the changing seasons. Failing to winterize your home or prep for summer heat can lead to some serious issues. Frozen pipes, poor insulation, and even pest infestations. To avoid these problems, make a seasonal maintenance checklist. In the winter, insulate pipes, clean out the chimney, and make sure your heating system is up to par. In the summer, inspect your air conditioning, check for leaks, and give your lawn some extra love. Mistake number 7, delaying exterior upkeep. Your property's exterior is the first line of defense against the elements. So why do so many people delay maintaining it? Whether it's peeling paint, cracked siding, or loose shingles, putting off exterior repairs leaves your home vulnerable to weather damage, rot, and pests. Here's the fix. Stay on top of exterior maintenance. Touch up paint when needed, replace damaged siding, and check for any weak spots on your roof. The sooner you catch these issues, the less likely they'll escalate into major repairs. And there you have it, the 7 property maintenance mistakes you are making and how to avoid them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Elite Service Masters for more expert property management tips. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Trust me, your property will thank you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep maintaining like a pro.